Hi buddies. In Beginner's English we are going to learn about personal information questions and answers for practice. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Introduction. Q. What's your name? A. My name is name. Q. Where are you from? A. I'm from city, country. Family and relationships. Q. Do you have any siblings? A. Yes, I have number siblings. Q. What does your family like to do together? A. We like to activity. Q. Are you married? A. Yes, no, I'm married, single. Education and work. Q. What do you study? A. I study major course. Q. Where do you work? A. I work at company organization. Q. What's your job title? A. My job title is job title. Hobbies and interests. Q. What do you like to do in your free time? A. I like to hobby. Q. What kind of music, movies, books do you like? A. I like genre, type, childhood and memories. Q. Where did you grow up? A. I grew up in city, town. Q. What's your favorite childhood memory? A. My favorite childhood memory is memory. Q. What did you like to do when you were a kid? A. I liked to activity. Goals and aspirations. Q. What are your goals for the future? A. My goals are to goals. Q. What do you hope to achieve in the next year? A. I hope to achievement. Q. What's your dream job? A. My dream job is to be a job title. Personality and traits. Q. What are your strengths and weaknesses? A. My strengths are strengths and my weaknesses. Q. How would you describe your personality? A. I'm a personality trait person. Q. What motivates you? A. I'm motivated by motivation. Lifestyle and habits. Q. What's your daily routine like? A. My daily routine includes routine. Q. How do you stay healthy and fit? A. I stay healthy by habits. Q. What's your favorite way to relax? A. I like to relaxation activity. Technology and social media. Q. What's your favorite social media platform? A. My favorite platform is platform. Q. How often do you check your phone? A. I check my phone frequency. Q. What's your favorite app? A. My favorite app is app. Travel and adventure. Q. What's the most exciting trip you've taken? A. The most exciting trip was to place. Q. Where's next on your travel bucket list? A. I want to visit place. Q. What's your favorite type of vacation? A. My favorite type is type, e.g. beach, city, outdoors. Food and drink. Q. What's your favorite type of cuisine? A. My favorite cuisine is cuisine. Q. Do you have a favorite restaurant? A. Yes, my favorite restaurant is restaurant. Q. What's your go-to coffee order? A. My go-to coffee order is coffee order. Hobbies and interests. Q. What do you like to do in your free time? A. I like to hobby, interest. Q. How did you get interested in hobby, interest? A. I got interested in hobby, interest through experience. Q. What's your favorite type of music? A. My favorite type of music is music genre. Work and education. Q. What do you study? A. I study major course. Q. What's your favorite part about your job? A. My favorite part is job aspect. Q. Where did you go to school? A. I went to school name. Goals and aspirations. Q. What are your goals for the next year? A. My goals are two goals. Q. What's the most important thing you're working towards? A. The most important thing is goal. Q. How do you plan to achieve your goals? A. I plan to achieve my goals by plan. Thank you.